Good morning, champions. Hope so you all are good. Oh, yeah, good. My dear kids, in math period, we have completed the revision of 4 chapters. And we have completed writing work in a notebook till the chapter 2. We have copied the my practice 1, my practice 2 in the notebook. Chapter 3 and chapter 4, we didn't complete because what I think now I am giving you 1 week time. Okay, I sent you notes, math note, what you have to write in a notebook. Okay, so copy this note, but only copy the my practice time. This my practice time 1, my practice time 2, my practice time 3. That notes I have prepared in the month of April. So I have added some extra part also. So I request you, don't copy the extra part. Just copy down my practice 1, my practice 2, my practice 3. But not from that notes. I request you to complete or copy down the my practice time in your notebook. For that, use your textbook. Just copy down the question, then think and write the answer. Don't copy the answer from the textbook also. Okay, just copy down the question and write the answer. You can complete my practice time in a day, so it will not be too much. Okay, hope so you understood. If you have any doubt, just send me a mail so we can discuss. Today in a math period, we will solve one quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. Quiz class 2 subject math and date. Today's date, it's 15/7/20. For this, what you have to do, take a piece of paper, write the name. First write the quiz, class 2, subject math and today's date. Below that, name. Write your name. Okay? Only 15 questions are there in this quiz. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In front of that, I asked you a question. You should suppose you should think and write the answer. Suppose the answer is option C. So write C. After that, we will discuss and we will solve again. If your answer option C is correct, then tick the correct. If the answer C is wrong answer, then put the wrong sign there, cross sign there. Okay. At the last, just count your marks. How many marks you got out of the 50? Okay. So please, I request you, bring a piece of paper, pencil, sharpen pencil of course. No need of eraser actually, but if you want, please. Shall we start? What you have to write on the piece of paper? Quiz, class 2, subject math, date 15/7, that means July 2020. Below that, please don't forget to write your name. Okay, and after this quiz, what should you supposed to do? Click the photo of that paper and submit it on a drive. Okay, so let's start. The first question for you is, Annie gave you 4 watermelons. Then John gave you 3 more. So how many watermelons do you have now? How many watermelons do you have now? Just think. Annie gave you 4 watermelons. Then John gave you 3 more. So how many watermelon do you have now? Write your answer on that paper. And the correct answer is, shall I? Done? 7. 7 watermelons. Option C. If Annie gave you 4 watermelons and then John gave you 3, so how many watermelons do you have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means you have 7 watermelons. If your answer is C, then please take the correct. Hope so all you have done the correct answer. Okay, are you ready for the second question? And the second question is here. Oh, it's too easy. 100 plus 50 is equal to what? Is it A, 50, B, 100, C, 150, and D, 200? What is the option? Just think and write the answer. Is it the answer A? Is it the answer B? Is it C? Or is it the D? Done? And the correct answer is 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. Hope so you have written a correct answer. Just tick if you have written the option C, just tick the correct. Hope so you have done good. Now my dear kids, 100 plus 50. Just in your mind, just write 100 and below that 50. Once we will add first 0, 0. That means see, this is the ones plus, this is the ones plus. So 0 plus 0, of course 0. Then 5 tens plus this tens plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. And here the 100 place, but nothing is here. So we'll write 1 as it is. That means 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. Okay. You can take a rough paper also if you can't solve like this. So you can write the number on the paper and solve it and then write the answer. Okay. Now the question number 3. And what's the question number 3? Question number 3 is, which of the following option show the face value of 8 in 28? Got it? Which of the following options show the face value of 8 in the 28? 28 number is there and we have to write face value. We have to write face value. Okay. So face value of 8. Now what is the face value of 8? And your options are A, 20, B, 2, C, is it 80, or E, is it 8? Just think, what is the face value of 8 in number 28? Done? Good. Now we will see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, 8. Oh, sorry, it should not be E, it's D, okay? I'm really sorry. If you are written E, then also tick, but it should be D, okay? Shall we see the next question? Question number 4. Which of the following option show the number name of 67? That means you have to identify the number name of 67. And your options are 67, option A, option B, 60, option C, 76, option D, 57. Which of the following options show the number name of this number? Can you see this number? Is it 67? Is it 60 or 76 or is it D, 57? Just think and write the correct answer. Done? Good. And the correct answer is option A, that you have written already. I know that it's 67. And in the question only I have said the answer also, if you noticed me. Okay, now we'll see question number 5. And for you, question number 5 is blank comes just before 413. Which numbers comes before 413? Before 413. Just before, okay? Option A, 403. Option B, 412. Option C, 410. And the option D is 414. And your time starts now. What do you think? Which number comes just before 413? It's too easy. Just you have to check the ones place only. Before, that means backward counting. After, that means forward counting. 10. Shall we see the correct answer now? And the correct answer is option B, 412. 412 comes just before 413. I know your answer is correct. Just check the correct. Now the next question is coming for you. The question number 6 is in 289, the place value of 8. Okay, in 289, the place value of 8 is. Let's discuss. Is it option A, ones? Option B, hundreds? Option C, tens? Or the option D, thousands? What is the place value of 8 there in number 289? Just think and write the correct answer. Hope so you all have done good. And the correct answer is, goes is option C, tens. Why, my dear kids? Here 200, 8 tens and 9 ones. Then what is the place of 8? 8 tens. 8 tens, that means 80. 8 tens. 8 is sitting on the tens place. So option C is the correct answer. Got it? Now let's see question number 7. 301 can be written as. 301 can be written as option A, 31, option B, 310, option C, 301, and the option D is 3001. 301 can be written as. And what do you think? How we write the number 301? 301. If you have a little bit confusion, just try to write this number on a paper, on a rough paper, and read it again and check your answer. And the correct answer is option C, 301. Here 301. We have the hundred place, we have the ones place. Here we have the hundred place and we have the ones place. But what about the tens place? We should not skip the tens place. If the hundred place is there and the ones place is there, we cannot skip the tens place. So if the tens place not mentioned in the question, that means on the tens place 0 is there. That means we write the 301 like this. Option C, 301, 300, 0 tens and 1 ones. Okay? If you have correct, then tick the correct. If you are wrong, then cross it. Okay? And the question number 488, 232, 242, blank, 262. Now the missing number in the pattern is, just think, is it A, 222, 222? Is it B, 225? Is it C, 252? Or is it D, 243? Just see this. 232, 242, 262. Hope so you have written the answer, correct answer. See, what is the difference between this number? How they are arranged? It's a little bit confusing for you because we didn't have discussed. But you can solve. You are smart enough. 232, then 242, then blank and 262. When I notice, I think the tens plus is changing. Other things are the same. Now, what should be there in the blank? Okay, hope so you have written the answer. And now we are going to check the correct answer, and the correct answer is C, 252. How? Why? Because, my dear kids, 332, 342, what is the difference between this number? See the tens place? Here is the 3, and here on the tens place we can see 4, and here the 6. That means which number should come here? 5. 3, see the tens place only. 3, 4, 5, 6. Tens different is there 10, 32, 42, 52, 62. The answer is option C. Might be your answer is wrong. You have written wrong. It's okay. Just cross it. No worry. Okay. Now let's see the question number 9. And the question number 9 is 10 plus 14 plus 34 is equal to. Just take a paper. Write the number 10 plus 43 plus 34. And check out the answer. Is the option A 87? Is the option B 77? Is it the option C 100? Oh, it's too big. 104334. That means 10, 43 and 34. And the option D is 197, 197. What is the addition of 10 plus 14 plus 34? And the correct answer is 87. Oh, is it? Just try. Sorry. 4 plus 3, ones place. 4 plus 3, 4 after 3, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, plus 0. 0 means nothing. So on the ones place there should be a 7. Okay, on the many places 7 is there. Now we will check the tens place. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 after 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. That means 8 should be there on the tens place and 7 should be there on the ones place. 87. And the correct answer is option A, 87. Okay, let's see the next question, question number 10. Blank, it's 200 more than 546. More, that means we have to add. So what will be the answer when we add 200 in 546? That means you have to add these two numbers and find out the answer. And your options are option A, 346, option B, 446, option C, 646, and the option D is 746. Ten. And the correct answer is, oh, so you have 10. It's easy. 0 plus 6, 0 plus 4, 5 plus 2. And the correct answer is option D. Yes, you are correct. It's 746. You all have written this only, no? Same? Good. Now we will go to the question number 11, and the question number 11 is, what is the value of the 5 in 526? Just write the number on the paper 526. Then we have to identify what is the value of 5 in the 526. Is it A, 5? That means place value, okay. Is it B, 50? Is it C, 500? Or is it D, 5000? 5, 50 or 500 or 5000. What is the value of 5 in the 526? Have you written that number on the paper? 526. Now check what is the place value of 5. Value, that means place value of 5 here. Hope so you have done. Now we'll see the correct answer, and the correct answer is option C, 500. Option C, 500. 500 already written in the question. 526. Then what is the value of 5? 500. 26. That means what is the value of 2? 20. And what is the value of 6? 6 only. 526. What is the value of 5? 500. Option C. Now we will see next question, and the next question is 12. Question number 12. Which number goes in the box? 386. It's smaller than that box. And the box is smaller than 521. Now just think, okay? You have to think here. Your options are A, 297, B, 334, C, 410, and D, 528. What do you think? How you are going to think? My dear kids, we know this sign. This is the crocodile mouth, crocodile's face. And the crocodile's face is always to the bigger number, we know that. And what is the sign is this? Smaller than. That means 386 is smaller than. You have to put the number here, okay, from this option. And that number should be smaller than 521. Just think, I am giving you extra time here. Try to put every number option A, option B, option C, option D, and try to read this. If you think it is the correct, then you can write the answer on the piece of paper. I'm also thinking with you, what should be there? What is the correct answer? If I put the option A, then what will happen? Option B. I got the answer. Do you? Did you get the answer? Oh yeah, let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is 410. Yes, I'm correct. I thought the same answer. How? Let's see. Here the kids, number 386. Okay, 386 is here. And here the 521. If I put the number 297 in the box, then what will happen? No. We have to write the greater number than 386, and this number is not greater than 386. This number is not greater than 306. Yeah, this is the greater than 306 and smaller than 526. If I put the option D, but option D is greater than 521 also. But we want the number here which is smaller than 521. That means the option C is correct. It fit the correct here. Got it? 386 it's smaller than 410 and 410 is smaller than 521. We are putting number here in the ascending order. Okay, this sign means what? If the continuous this sign is there, that means ascending order. If the opposite sign is there, that means descending order. Okay, hope so you have written the correct answer. If it is wrong, then also it's okay. Now we will see question number 13. And question number 13 is, what is the solution to this problem? And the problem is 419 minus 12. Oh, it's so easy. 419 minus 12. The options are A, 431, option B, 421, option C, 417, and option D, 407. What is your answer? Just write on that paper. And the correct answer is what? Is it the correct answer? No, it's not the correct answer. Correct answer is 407. Sorry. The correct answer is option D, 407. This is the wrong answer. Wrong answer has shown here. 9 minus 2, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. And the 4 minus nothing is here, that means 4. So correct answer is option D, 407. Okay, this is the addition. If you are written the option D, then your answer is correct. Okay, now let's see question number 14. And the question number 14 is, what is the solution to this problem? Here also minus 759 minus 563. And the options are A, 116, B, 196, C, 216, and D, 296. Just think, what is the correct answer? Subtract the 9, subtract the 3 from the 9, 6 from the 5. Oh, we cannot subtract the 6 from the 5. What should we supposed to do? Oh, I should ask the help to my neighbor. My neighbor is 7. Then 7 will definitely help me. Then I will be a 15. Then 15 minus 6. Oh, then what will be on there on the 100 plus? Oh, I got it. I got the answer. Do you? Did you get the correct answer? Yes, let's check the correct answer. And the correct answer is 196. Let's do. We will check is it correct or not. 9 minus 3. After 3, count till 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. That means the 1s plus 6. We cannot subtract 6 from the 5, so we will take the borrow from the 7. That means it will be 15. 15 minus 6. After 6, count till 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9. So 9. And here, if this 7 gives 1 to the tens, that means it will be 6. 6 minus 5, 1. So 196. And the last question from this quiz is here. Look at the number. Which digit in the tens place? Which digit is there in the tens place? In number 962. We have to identify tens place. Which number is sitting on the tens place? Option A, 2. Option B, 6. Option C, 9. Option D, 10. And the correct answer is, we know that, option B, 6. Here we have completed this quiz. Okay, 15 questions were there. One answer was wrong, but I told you what was the correct answer. So write as per this only. Now do the total of the marks, how many marks you got and how much marks we got, and write at the end of that paper. Okay. Now again I'm giving you reminder. I have sent you maths notes, okay? But what you have to do, we have, don't use this. If you have any problem, that time only use that notes, okay? Refer that notes. Otherwise, what is your work? Suppose the chapter 3 is there. From the chapter 3, my practice 1. Okay, so copy down this my practice 1 in the notebook. Copy down the question only and write the answer. Just think and write the answer. Okay, it is for your practice. Hope so you will write very neatly and cleanly. Okay, write very neat and clean. And write slowly, no hurry. Okay, take one day, in a one day, complete the one practice only, my practice time 1. Okay, second day, take next day, next thing, my practice 2. Third day, my practice 3, my practice 4. Done. Then fourth day, new chapter, chapter 4. Okay, if you have any queries, let me know. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Take care.